In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit resume in WPS Office using your mobile device. Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to watch this guide. If you need to update an existing resume or create a polished one efficiently, WPS Office provides an easy and reliable way to do this using ready-made templates that are designed for professional use. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the complete process of editing a resume using WPS Office, from choosing a template to saving the final file. This method is ideal if you want a clean layout without starting from scratch and want to focus more on your content rather than formatting. To begin, open the WPS Office application and wait for the home screen to load. On the main page, you will see your recent files along with several options for creating new documents. From here, select the Create option to start working on a new file. After choosing Create, select Doc so you can access document-based templates. Once the document options appear, scroll through the available categories until you find the Resume Templates section. One of the biggest advantages of WPS Office is that these templates already follow proper resume formatting, which saves time and helps ensure your document looks professional. To view more design options, select the More option to see the full list of available resume templates. Take your time browsing through them and choose one that best fits your personal style or the type of job you are applying for. When you tap on a template, a preview will appear so you can review the layout, structure, and overall design before using it. After reviewing the template and confirming it meets your needs, select Use Now. The resume will then open in the editor where you can begin making changes. Simply select the text areas to replace the sample content with your own information. You can update sections such as your personal details, work experience, education, and skills. If the template includes an image placeholder, you can also replace it with your own photo if needed. As you edit, make sure all information is accurate, clear, and properly aligned to maintain a professional appearance. Once you are done editing your resume, select Done, then choose Save at the top of the screen. You will be prompted to choose where the file should be stored. You can save it to cloud storage or select a local folder on your computer. Before saving, you may also rename the file so it is easy to identify later. After saving, your edited resume is ready to be shared, printed, or submitted whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.